In this beginner's guide, I'm going to show you how you can quickly duplicate a sheet here in Google Sheets. So duplicating your sheet is one way for you to edit your data without affecting the original data. And the only way you can do it would be to go to your sheet at the bottom right here. So your tab right here is your sheet. And for you to duplicate this, just click on the drop down and select duplicate. Once you click on that, a copy or a duplicate of that sheet will be on the next tab. So we have the original right here and the duplicate. There you have it. So it's quite easy with those 2 clicks right there. Again, just go to the drop down right next to your sheet name and select duplicate. So now we have 2 duplicates right here of our original data, which is our sheet number 1. Now, what if you want to duplicate this on another sheet, on another file? You can quickly do that by again going back to that dropdown and selecting copy to. Duplicating your sheets is just copying the exact same data, whether that's on the same sheet, a new spreadsheet, or an existing spreadsheet. So let's try and do that with a new spreadsheet. If I click on this one right here, it is now copying our sheet, and now we have the option to open that new sheet with a duplicate of this sheet right here. So if we click on open, this will open a new tab with a new spreadsheet with an exact copy of our data. There you have it. So again, we have an untitled spreadsheet right here, but with an exact copy of our tab. Let's try that with an existing spreadsheet. So we have our original data right here. I'm going to go back to that drop down, copy to, and select existing spreadsheet. So with the existing spreadsheet, it will open your drive and ask you to choose which spreadsheet you want to copy this sheet to. So I'm just going to select this one right here. Once you've selected the file, click on insert at the bottom right corner. And now again, it's copying the sheet to that existing file. If we click on open, it will now open that existing file with a copy or the duplicate of our sheet. And there you have it. That is your quick beginner's guide on how to duplicate a sheet here in Google Sheets. Whether that's again in the same file right here, in a new spreadsheet, or in an existing spreadsheet. And if you still need extra help with sheets, I do have a free guide linked in the description below that you should definitely check out. Thank you for watching this quick tutorial. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful videos, and I will see you in the next one.